Okay, so hi, welcome back to another studio vlog. I got some mail. So the first thing, this came into my mailbox like this. And it's an art print from Ada, and I was so scared when I saw it was bent like this, but I checked it, it's fine, it's not that bad, and it's still usable. Thank goodness. I'm sorry, Ada. But yeah, so I'm a bit scared now to get my other mail because I ordered some from other artists also. But yeah, let's first open this one up. So it's super cute. It's a bit damaged, but it's okay. It still looks good. It will still look cute, so I ordered this art print. This is a thank you card, and here is her business card. So the other mail is from Amy. I will link them both down below, so if you want to check them out. Good thing she put another cardboard in here, so it's not that bad of a bend. It still looks great, and I love the colors, so bright and fun. I love it. Let's open up Amy's. Oh my god, I don't want to ruin the sticker. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Got it. Ah. Oh my god, so adorable. Look at them. I love her little illustrations. Are they chipmunks or hamsters? I'm not sure. So adorable. Oh my god. I want to keep this sticker. Oh my god. Cute. Oh my god, don't rip it. Oh no, please. Okay, careful. Careful. Yes, I got it. So here's her Instagram and Etsy if you want to check her out. Oh, this washi tape is also cute. Guinea pigs, they're guinea pigs, I think. So I ordered one sticker and a sticker sheet. Can't wait to use them, they're so fun. They're so adorable and cute. Look, let me show you this sticker. Oh, cute. And I also wanted to show you, I ordered this from EXO and Quinn. So they are biodegradable and compostable. So you can compost this in your home, which is really great. And I'll finally finish this painting right here. And I also got these stamps, and I will be trying them out. So this is my October spread. So let's try out the stamps. I will track my habits for the first time, but nothing too serious. Exercising, and by exercising I mean jumping ropes and some cardio, nothing exciting. I'm not really into sports or anything. But I'm trying to work out more because I'm sitting most of the day, so it's not really healthy. So I'm trying to work out a bit. And I'm trying to learn Spanish, and I was going really good and then I stopped, so I want to get back into that. Also, I'm going to track how I film, when I film, and when I upload videos. So I will try to track that and see if that helps with anything or not. Alright, let's see. Oh my god, so cool. Oh my god, I love this. It's a bit wonky, but it's so weird because I'm trying not to use color because everything before that was so bright and colorful. So that's a challenge, but I kind of like how it looks. How well you can see this, I don't know. Anyway, I got my comfortable clothes and yeah, let's finish this. So I'm done. I don't wanna mess with it anymore because I already did a couple of layers of this. It's just I could do that forever, so I decided that it's finished. Yeah. I really like the rocks here. I like the texture of it, but painting is hard, but it's fine. I think it will look great on the wall. I'm working on this planner, so I like the idea and the layout, but I think the colors are maybe too dark, so I will change the background, and this text is a bit too big maybe. And also I made this background illustration in Procreate, and the weeks and goals and notes I did in Affinity Designer. So I will just change the corners to round corners, maybe that will look better. But yeah, if you want to make something like this, you can make it only in Procreate. You don't have to use Affinity. But I think that it's easier to make this and change it. I can easily change this in Affinity Designer, so I will use that. So I will see what works better. Yes, this one's definitely better. What do you think? I like this one better. I also wanted to show you the time-lapse of the illustration that I posted yesterday. This little cup here. Can you see it? It's really cute. And I want a cup like this, so yeah, let me show you. Say hi, Luca.
Hi!
I've gone hungry, I've gone blind. I've had nights where you're the only thing that's on my mind. I've given you all I know, so why the hell should I go? I've sacrificed, I've forgiven. I've had nights where I thought you're the only reason I'm living. You're already.
So guys, we are on a beautiful island, right? Beautiful Adriatic Sea. Come on. Here's the old time lapse. And now we're going on ice cream.
If you love 'em, let them go. But since you never love me back, I'm gonna keep you close. So why the hell should I let you go? 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 Since you never love me back, I'm gonna keep you close. So why the hell should I let you go? They say love is what you make it. There's not something to replace it. Soon I'll find out what our break is. 'Cause it's not even love I'm chasing. They say if you
I am on my third cup of coffee. Anybody else having a hard time this morning?
So why, oh tell me why
We're going home, yay!
We're going
or
home.
no?
Woohoo! Woo! If we fit in
If
there,
we fit.
it will be great. If it not, we must wait 1 hour.
No, it won't last an hour. I hope. Okay.
Okay, ide to.
Yes.
Ide to. Let's go. Oh my god.
Come on. Okay. It's
Come
good.
on.
Can we?
Oh,
Oh no. Oh no.
We're going to be last one.
Can we fit or not? Please. We did it.
Yeah, we made it. Woohoo!
I've gone hungry, I've gone blind. I've had nights where you're the only thing that's on my mind.